Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Canon printer, in front of me Canon MG5700 series, and now I'm going to show you how to print on envelopes using this printer. So, firstly you need to open output tray, and this is output tray, and here is input tray. So firstly we need to open input tray. So open it, you can open it to this position, and then you need to insert here your envelope. Okay, so for example I have the normal small, sorry, I have two envelopes here, or one? Oh, it's one. So great, so now I need to insert envelope, but if you want to print on this side, so you need to put envelope in this way. If you want to print in this side, so put envelope in this way. So inverse, okay? So insert envelope, and then you need to change the tray size. So to do it, just change it, and so it's easy to do. So you need to take free space for it. So give for the letter 2-3 millimeters of the free space, and insert the paper tray. Then here, wait a while, here you will see the paper settings, and now we need to change it. So wait a while. Great, as you can see here we have the paper settings. So paper size, paper size A4, we need to change it to your later size. I have envelope 10-15, okay, 10-15, yes. So yes, it's my paper size, 10-15. And here we need to choose the envelope. Then click OK, wait a while, and great. Cool. Now we need to open output tray. To do it, just open this plastic part. So I'll show you it again. It's very easy to do. You need to just open this plastic part, and then you need to open your document you want to print on your envelope. For example, I don't know, in Word application on your Windows device, or you can use just simple Canon print application on your mobile device, and choose here document print, then choose documents, use your document you want to print. For example, I will use, no, not it, maybe this document, nope. So sorry, I need to choose the document I will print. For example, I will print the billet, ticket. So I will print the ticket on my envelope, just for example, and choose your document you want to print and click next. Then here click change settings. In Word you can change settings too. And here choose paper size, choose your envelope size. For example, in my case it will be 10-15 centimeters. Then choose media type, here choose plain paper, and change the color mode, monochrome or color. I will use monochrome. Monochrome is black and white mode. Color is color mode. Same as document size, you can enable it or disable it. I will disable it. Print range and copies, 1 copy. Now click no, and great. And now just click print. Wait a while. So as you can see, my printer is not printing right now. So just click cancel on your device and click on cancel job button and just try again. So just try again, envelope, all size, check everything and print again. And now wait again. Okay, printing. And great, that's it. As you can see, my document was printed on my envelope, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.